DSE Physics 215 question 2. We have given a graph of temperature versus time. So temperature and time being put at y-axis and x-axis respectively. Again, if we want to know the physical meaning, we start with the equations Pt equals mc delta t. So we know that from the question that X and Y are made of same material, so they have the same specific heat capacity, and they are heat under the same power, same P. Okay, so I want to arrange the equation according to the arrangement of the graph. I want to put temperature delta T as the subject and the time T at the as the x-axis. So compare with the straight line equation. Now we have temperature put at y, time t put at x. So the thing in between, in the middle, would be the slope. So we can write down slope is found by P over mc. As slope is found by P over mc, and in addition, because it at this time P and C is constant, they are the same for two substances. So we can conclude that the slope is actually proportional to 1 over m. That means if mass is larger, the slope will be smaller. Now, we'd like to see what is the ratio of the slope. As we can see, for the curve of x, if we take a look from the origin to this point, again, from the origin to this point, going along the curve of x, we had risen for 40 degrees Celsius in the same period of time. And if you follow the curve of y, you have just increased for 20 degrees Celsius for the same period of time. So we can write down, we know that slope of x to slope of y is 2 to 1. X has double the slope than that of y. So if we know this, slope of x and slope of y are in the ratio of 2 to 1. At the same time, we know that slope is inversely proportional to the ratio of mass. So we can write down slope of x to slope of y is equals to my over mx, because they are inversely proportional. So the numerator and denominator are inversed. So we just put in the numbers. Slope x to slope y is 2 to 1 is equals to mx my. Change the subject, change the sides. So we will have mx over my is equals to 1 to 2, or in ratio form, we can say mx to my is equals to 1 to 2. Therefore, the answer would be C.